Welcome to ELF Rocks and Minerals Center 2. If you watch the introduction, you know a little bit about what we're covering, which is the rock cycle and rocks and minerals and how they affect our daily life and what they're made from. And our kids get to be little scientists. So Center 1 is probably for kindergarten, first and second, maybe depending on your group. And this would be a better center for a second, depending on your group, third and fourth, because they get to do a little bit more extensive and technical testing in this center. So Center 2, we always start with our paper materials, although there's really not a lot in here for that, so that'll be good to go straight to the testing, which is great for 15 minutes of time. So this is the one of the tests that we're going to do, well, a couple of them, hard and soft, and a chalk test, which is not chalk, we're going to do the hydrochloric acid. So this is helping us to identify specifically white rocks, so it would help with calcite and quartz identification. And then this little paper shows us about, this is also used in Center 1, but it shows us how we're going to study a streak plate to see if a rock streaks, the density of it, a hardness, and some other characteristics that all scientists use to identify rocks and minerals. So that's kind of all the background information that we have for this. So some other things to get you started is this might be used for the older kids. They can fill out their own chart. We really like to advertise ELF this way by having kids fill out something and take it home and talk to their parents about it and get excited about ELF because we're always looking for new recruits. But otherwise, we have this fancy key in here, so that's great for us parent volunteers that are not geologists. That joke's going to get old by the time I record all these. And then we have a blank one.